Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits with no oven. First, gather your ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, cold butter, and milk. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed skillet or griddle. The key is to keep your butter very cold for a flaky texture. We'll mix the dry ingredients, cut in the butter, and then add milk to form a soft dough. This method is surprisingly easy and yields fantastic results. Once your dry ingredients are mixed, it's time for the butter. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut in the cold butter until it resembles coarse crumbs, about the size of small peas. Next, pour in the milk slowly, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your biscuits tough. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat or roll it to about 1-inch thickness. Now for the cooking. Heat your heavy skillet or griddle over medium-low heat. You can add a little butter or oil if desired, but it's not always necessary. Place your shaped biscuits in the hot skillet, leaving some space between them. Cover the skillet to trap heat, which helps the biscuits cook through. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked all the way through. Your no-oven biscuits are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like butter, honey, or fruit jam. They are incredibly versatile and make a wonderful addition to any meal or a delightful snack on their own. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly cooked biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.